How to stop daily limit on Facebook. To do this, first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on profile icon. After that, three line option in the left corner. After that, go to settings and privacy. Then select settings. Under the permissions, tap on time management and select daily limit. Tap on it and now choose off option, then save. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.